Where's the apple?
Yeah. All right, so I did manage to crash my car. So it's a little beat up, but we're gonna try to get it fixed today, or at least take it apart.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like a little bit easier to watch over doing get this, that, and get this baby out today. This little thingy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll probably insert a clip here, but we had a great time at that last event. I kind of smashed my car, so today me and my little helper here are gonna try and pull this out enough to get this wrinkled fender off, because I can't get to the last bolt that's like in here. So
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to yank it out and we'll see what we can do.
Yeah, and as the fire comes out, and we.
Okay, so it still looks like a mangled mess, but it's enough. This actually broke off, so this isn't even connected anymore. I can just start unbolting shit. So set the time lapse up and get the front end tore apart. Probably get both the fenders off so I can start assessing what I gotta cut. All right, so I kind of kicked the time lapse off and kept going, but we got majority of this took off. With all this front end figured out, this fender's off, and I still got to get this one off. But it's about time to go pick up my kid from school. So this will probably continue tomorrow, and I'll piece this together and see if I can get a decent clip out of it and post it, and we'll just keep going. I guess next I'll get this last fender off. And what I want to do, which is actually, it's already kind of cracked right there. I'm going to peel off all this seam sealer at this line here, and then start cutting it and figure out where my cut's going to be right here. And then I'll box this in. Obviously the same on that side. We'll cut it out where it's right where the bend started. So I'll cut it there and then box that in. And then then I gotta start buying tools. I need to buy a bender so I can make some tubes from here down to the horn. And then I want to do one from here back down, gusset this to try to strengthen the strut towers. And then figure out if I'm gonna buy or build a bash bar. I kind of want to build it. That way I can get rid of these little studs. Do something a little bit bigger so I can actually have like a front jack point. So I really hate going from the side. I'd like to have just something right there and pick it up. But all right, I'm already a minute in. This is probably gonna suck on TikTok, and I don't know if I'm gonna put it to YouTube or not. So we'll see. Thanks for watching.